In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly size your research poster design in PowerPoint. Let's dive right in and make sure your poster is not only eye-catching but professionally presented as well. To begin, we'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Now this may seem obvious, but it's always best to start with a blank canvas. Once you're in PowerPoint, open up the presentation you'd like to adjust. This is where your research poster will take shape, so be sure you have all the necessary elements already arranged on this slide. Now direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see various tabs. Click on the Design tab. This is your gateway to customizing the look and feel of your presentation. Once you're in the Design tab, look over to the right hand side and you'll notice an option labeled Slide Size. Go ahead and click on that. Doing this reveals a little menu with a couple of options, but the one you need to select is Custom Slide Size. Here you'll be able to input the specific dimensions you need for your poster. It's essential to know the required size ahead of time because proper sizing can impact everything from the print quality to the layout of your text and images. Common poster sizes include 36 by 48 inches or 24 by 36 inches, but these can vary based on the guidelines provided by your conference or institution. Once you have the dimensions in mind, type them into the width and height fields. Be mindful of the orientation, landscape or portrait, as even this small detail can affect your design. After you've entered your desired dimensions, simply click on OK. Doing so may prompt a window asking whether you want to ensure fit. This is an important step and I recommend choosing Ensure Fit. This option automatically adjusts the content on your slides to prevent any unsightly issues like clipping or overlapping text, so everything appears more seamless and professional. And just like that, you've successfully resized your research poster slide. With your slide correctly sized, you can continue refining the content and design, knowing that everything will look crisp and clean once printed or displayed. It's these little adjustments that can make a big difference in how your work is perceived, so take the time to ensure everything is just right. Thanks for following along and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your next research presentation.